1 second. That's all it takes for everything to change. Welcome to World Top Moments. This time, we bring you the most shocking moments captured on camera just seconds before losing control and chaos takes over. Before we begin, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos. The material you will see below is not intended to promote violence. It is presented for informational and educational purposes to raise awareness and help prevent accidents through safer decision-making. These are the moments nobody sees coming.
Scene, we see an elderly man, approximately 80 years old, walking dangerously close to a highway. At the same time, a dump truck approaches from the opposite direction when one of its rear wheels suddenly detaches. Due to limited reaction time, the man is unable to move away. Fortunately, the wheel passes without causing injury. This incident highlights the importance of vehicle maintenance and keeping pedestrians away from high-speed roads. In the next clip, a security camera overlooking a parking lot in the United States captures a lightning strike nearby. Lightning can strike without warning and travel through unexpected paths, making open areas extremely dangerous during storms. Here, inside a sand and cement facility, an excavator operator is handling a heavy load. While reversing, the machine unexpectedly rolls backwards. Situations like this emphasize the need for proper braking systems, operator training, and clear safety zones in industrial environments. Inside an aluminum foundry, extreme heat causes molten metal to react violently. This eruption occurs when temperature, moisture, or contaminants interact with molten aluminum. Maintaining strict safety distances and protective equipment is critical in these conditions. This security footage shows a city street moments before underground manhole covers explode upward. The cause is methane gas accumulation from sewage systems. Proper ventilation and gas monitoring are essential to prevent such incidents. In this dashcam video, a driver notices a large explosion in the distance while traveling normally. Here, a wastewater tanker carrying nearly 50 tons of liquid sewage is left unattended. Without secured brakes, the vehicle rolls backwards, damaging nearby property. This scene demonstrates why heavy vehicles must never be left without proper safety measures. Events like this remind us that industrial or electrical failures can occur far beyond our immediate surroundings. In another scene, a heavy cargo truck has overturned and recovery operations are underway. Two elderly bystanders stand too close to the operation. When parts of the truck break loose, one of them is narrowly missed. This clip shows a truck making a wide turn and contacting a high-voltage power line. Vehicles interacting with electrical infrastructure can cause severe electrical discharges. Clearance awareness is critical for large vehicles. In Tashkent, Uzbekistan, an underground pipeline ruptures under extreme pressure exceeding 12 atmospheres. Infrastructure failures like this highlight the importance of constant inspection and pressure control systems. Here, a structural failure causes a second floor section, including a swimming pool, to collapse. Overloaded structures and engineering miscalculations are common causes of such failures. A 9-story building in Wuhan, Taiwan, tilts nearly 45 degrees before collapsing. Emergency evacuation procedures prevent loss of life, demonstrating the importance of early warning systems. In this scene, an electrical transformer explodes during maintenance work. Electrical systems carry immense energy, and strict lockout and grounding procedures are vital.
Bunch of power lines, not just, I thought there was...
Another electrical incident occurs when tree branches contact high voltage lines. Vegetation management is a key factor in preventing power outages and fires.
And you like flinched a little, but you got it.
In a rare moment, hundreds of birds take off simultaneously from high voltage power lines. The sudden movement causes the cables to sway and touch, triggering a powerful electrical discharge. This dump truck, carrying approximately 30 tons, takes a curve at excessive speed. A tire failure causes loss of control. Speed management and tire inspection are crucial for heavy vehicles. In the final scene, a truck transports a military vehicle when the load shifts unexpectedly. Without the driver at the controls, the vehicle overturns. This incident reinforces the importance of load securing and constant supervision. In this scene, recorded by a civilian on a sloped street, we see a truck designed to transport heavy excavators parked without proper safety positioning. When the multi-ton excavator begins loading onto the truck, the added weight creates downward inertia. Without adequate safety systems in place, the truck starts rolling downhill and crashes into a nearby house. This accident could have been prevented with proper wheel chocks, braking systems, and load control procedures. In the next scene, two cranes are attempting to lift a loaded shipping container from an overturned cargo truck. One of the lifting chains fails under the excessive weight. The sudden release of tension creates a powerful force, causing one of the cranes to tip over. This highlights the importance of load calculations and equipment inspections during recovery operations. Here, firefighters arrive and secure an area after smoke is seen rising from beneath a manhole cover. The source is underground electrical transformers commonly installed beneath city streets. These systems require constant monitoring to prevent overheating and electrical fires.
Oh, buddy. There it goes. Oh, perfect timing. Whoa!
In another clip, we witness a powerful explosion at a high-voltage electrical transformer facility. Such incidents occur when energy loads exceed system capacity or during equipment failure. Strict maintenance and safety protocols are essential in high-voltage environments. This scene shows a strong wind gust ripping the roof off nearby apartment buildings. It serves as a reminder that during severe weather events, securing structures and seeking shelter is critical. In a similar event, tourists capture footage of intense wind gusts in the same area.
Look at
Although no major damage occurs, these conditions are dangerous. The correct response is not to film, but to find immediate shelter. Here, the force of strong winds causes a large section of a gas station roof to collapse onto a vehicle that was refueling. The sheer power of wind highlights why fuel stations must follow strict structural safety standards. In this scene, a vehicle transports an excavator through a city street. Due to the machine's height, it collides with a street sign. This incident demonstrates the importance of height clearance checks when transporting heavy machinery. Next, we see a driver stopped behind another vehicle while distracted by a mobile phone. Failing to pay attention, the driver collides with the car in front. Distracted driving remains one of the leading causes of preventable accidents. In a heavy machinery parking area, extreme heat from prolonged sun exposure causes a tire to explode. High temperatures increase internal tire pressure, leading to sudden and dangerous blowouts. In India, severe flooding causes a river to swell dramatically. Despite the danger, a group of people gathers on a concrete bridge to take photos. The structure shows visible signs of poor construction and could collapse any moment. Flood zones should always be avoided regardless of curiosity. In this lighter moment, what initially appears to be a lioness attacking a person turns out to be playful behavior. The animal is interacting harmlessly with its caretaker. Even so, working closely with wild animals always carries inherent risks. In the last scene, a train passes through a chemical facility while carrying industrial equipment. The oversized load brushes dangerously close to a gas pipeline. This situation demonstrates how industrial transport errors can lead to potential disasters, avoided this time only by chance. In this scene, a father and his son become heroes to their own puppy. After noticing an approaching tornado, they quickly rush outside and bring the dog safely into the house. Just seconds later, the tornado passes through, destroying everything in its path. This moment reminds us that natural disasters can strike without warning and that quick decisions can save lives. In another clip, tourists record a river that has rapidly risen due to heavy monsoon rains. The water level nearly reaches the top of a concrete bridge. Despite the danger, the visitors continue taking photos and videos. Suddenly, the bridge collapses beneath their feet. By sheer luck, they avoid falling into the river. Flooded rivers and weakened bridges should always be avoided, regardless of curiosity. In this scene, a couple is recording themselves on a beach when a lightning strike hits extremely close to them. Fortunately, no one is injured. Here, a street-facing security camera captures a car passing by moments before a massive concrete and metal structure collapses onto the road. The occupants narrowly escape serious injury. Structural failures can occur without visible warning signs. In another scene, an overhead crane used for loading heavy cargo onto trucks suddenly loses control. The crane begins rolling uncontrollably along its elevated rails. Workers immediately run for safety, recognizing that a collapse is imminent. Situational awareness prevents serious injuries.
Wait! Thing collapsed.
This dashcam footage captures the exact moment of a massive explosion ahead. What appears to be an ordinary day quickly turns dangerous. A powerful tremor triggers landslides in nearby mountains. Large clouds of dust and debris engulf the roadway. Nature, once again, proves how unpredictable it can be.
前看到的是清水断崖，你看看不到山了。
In this scene, strong hurricane-force winds sweep through the area, carrying objects along their path. The people present are properly sheltered and no one is injured. The lesson is clear. Even loose objects can become deadly hazards during extreme winds. In the final scene, a vehicle attempts to move a large crane positioned on a bridge construction site. The unstable maneuver causes the crane to collapse and fall into the water below. Heavy machinery must always be operated on stable ground and under strict safety supervision. In this scene, a driver is exiting an auto parts business when, without warning, a live power line suddenly snaps and falls nearby. Sparks and flames erupt just feet away from him. By sheer luck, the electrical discharge does not make contact. This moment highlights how damaged or unstable power lines can fail at any time, creating life-threatening situations. In another clip, a vehicle slowly reverses into the yard of a rural property. The car unknowingly drives over a high-voltage cable, causing sparks to appear beneath the vehicle. Bystanders attempt to warn the driver, but confusion leads the driver to exit the car. Another person reacts quickly and pulls the cable away. Although well-intentioned, this action is extremely dangerous and could have resulted in electrocution. The safest response is always to keep distance and contact emergency services. Here, inside a steel factory, a recently forged steel rod is violently ejected from machinery. Fortunately, no workers are nearby at the moment. Incidents like this demonstrate why strict exclusion zones are essential in high-temperature industrial environments. In Taichung, Taiwan, defects were detected in structural chain systems used on site. Local authorities fined both the contractor and the supervising company for safety violations. This case shows how regulatory oversight plays a critical role in preventing future accidents. In this scene, an elderly woman is sitting outside her home when she hears a strange noise and decides to investigate. Seconds later, a massive rock crashes through the house, destroying the area where she had been moments earlier. Her instinctive decision to move away ultimately saves her life. Here, smoke is seen emerging from beneath a manhole cover in the city. This usually indicates overheating or failure of underground electrical systems. Authorities often secure these areas quickly to prevent further hazards. In another scene, a cargo truck attempts to park in a designated loading zone. Due to poor ground conditions, the surface collapses, causing the truck to tip and spill its load. This incident underscores the importance of proper infrastructure maintenance in industrial areas.
ちょっと嘘
Here, tourists film the ocean from the shoreline at the exact moment a tsunami reaches the coast. The footage captures the immense power of the waves. Coastal areas should be evacuated immediately when tsunami warnings are issued. In this scene, a theme park descends into chaos when a rotating swing ride catches fire. The incident appears to be caused by an electrical failure rather than mechanical malfunction. Emergency response prevents injuries, highlighting the importance of rapid evacuation protocols. In the final scene, a river suddenly swells after heavy rainfall. Erosion causes sections of the riverbank to collapse, trapping a nearby vehicle. Rapid water level changes can turn safe areas into dangerous zones within minutes. In this scene, what seems to be a calm day quickly turns dangerous. A home's rear security camera captures the exact moment when a large tree branch falls on a parked car. Fortunately, no one was inside and only material damage occurred. In another clip, a young woman poses for a photo during a visit to an area inhabited by crocodiles. Although nothing happened, wildlife is unpredictable and could have breached the barrier at any moment. Safety rules and maintaining distance from dangerous animals are critical. Here, during a military parade, a maneuver goes slightly wrong. Due to recent rain, the pavement is slippery and a tank collides with an electric utility pole. Luckily, no civilians were nearby. Even controlled exercises can become hazardous under poor conditions. In this scene, a passenger bus becomes stuck on train tracks. Seconds later, train warning alarms sound and passengers evacuate in time. The footage shows the importance of vigilance and quick reactions in traffic situations. Next, a group of people is inside a building when the ceiling collapses. By sheer luck, everyone avoids injury as debris falls just centimeters away. In another scene, a dump truck attempts to ascend a slippery slope during rainfall. The vehicle loses traction and rolls backwards towards a cliff edge. The driver jumps to safety just before the truck falls. Inclement weather greatly increases the risk of heavy vehicle accidents. Finally, a truck carrying logs brakes suddenly, causing a log to fall onto the sidewalk where a bicycle is parked. Fortunately, no one is riding the bicycle at the moment. This driver truly had a second chance at life. While driving, a massive piece of construction machinery, a large crane, falls just a few inches in front of his car. Had he moved slightly faster, the equipment could have struck him directly. Fortunately, he escaped unharmed, demonstrating how unpredictable hazards on construction sites can be. In another scene, a crane at a yacht parking facility attempts to lift a yacht, but one of the straps loosens. The yacht drops abruptly, highlighting the importance of secure lifting equipment and proper inspection protocols. Here, a vehicle transport truck passes under a bridge with a high load of cars. Due to miscalculated height, the upper layer of vehicles collides with the bridge, causing material damage. In a small town, a security camera captures a sudden heavy rainfall. As vehicles move along the streets, lightning strikes a power line, causing chaos and frightening residents. Fortunately, no one is injured. This illustrates the dangers of electrical systems during storms. During a construction operation, a large crane becomes detached. Thanks to workers' attentiveness, everyone escapes at the exact moment, avoiding injury. Situational awareness and safety protocols are crucial on construction sites. Finally, a vehicle dashcam captures the moment a power line falls across the road, landing on several vehicles. The incident generates sparks and poses a high risk of electrical discharge. Always maintaining distance and remaining alert near electrical infrastructure is essential. Thank you for watching this compilation of extraordinary moments captured on camera. Remember, these incidents are shared not for entertainment, but to educate and raise awareness about safety in everyday life. Nature, machines, and even small mistakes can be unpredictable, and staying alert can save lives. If you learned something valuable today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to World Top Moments for more real-life lessons and incredible footage. Stay safe, stay aware, and always respect the power around you.
Oğlum dikkatli. Kaç oradan kaç. Oğlum dikkat.